We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some strawberry sauce, y'all. Yes, some strawberry sauce. And here are our ingredients. Okay, we have 3 cups of sliced strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, y'all, let's get to making our homemade strawberry sauce. Okay, in this saucepan, I'm adding my strawberries. I'm going to leave out maybe a cup out, and I'm going to add those later. Okay, now I'm adding my sugar. And my water. I mix them up a little bit, and I'm waiting on them to start a boil. Okay, since they have started boiling, I'm going to boil these for like 10 minutes. I'm going to let them simmer on a rapid simmer for 10 minutes, and I'm going to be right back. Here, I'm adding the remainder of my strawberries. We're going to stir these around a little bit. I'm going to let them boil for another 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, here I have removed my saucepan from the heat, and I am adding my vanilla extract. And now we're going to stir this all together. Here I have placed my strawberry sauce into a glass bowl, and now I'm adding my melted butter. I'm going to keep mixing this until all my butter is melted. And then I'm going to refrigerate this until I'm ready to use it. Okay, y'all, my strawberry sauce has cooled off, and now I'm getting ready to make my strawberry shortcake. Okay, I do have a cake recipe to go along with this strawberry shortcake in a previous video, and I will leave the link below. Okay, now I'm getting ready to put together my strawberry shortcake. Okay, here I'm placing my strawberry syrup on top of my cake. What I like about this strawberry syrup, it has the strawberries in it. So I decided to share with y'all this delicious strawberry syrup with strawberries. Now I'm adding my whipped topping. Y'all, this recipe is so delicious, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy it. It was so delicious. The strawberry syrup and with the strawberries was delicious. And so I said I'm going to add just a little bit more strawberry on my topping. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. This is something special we wanted to make for the fathers of our family. And so I wanted to share this with y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I want to say to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. I want to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Have a great, blessed day. As always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
At home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.